Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. How to relax before going to bed. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep to function well the next day. Nevertheless, mental and physical stress can make it difficult to relax enough before going to sleep happily. There are steps that you can take to help yourself relax. Breathe deeply. If you regularly struggle with insomnia, then preparing for sleep can itself become a source of stress. This is because your nervous system does not let you fall asleep. You can resist nerves by applying deep breathing techniques. Close your eyes and breathe deeply through your nose, counting to 5. Then slowly exhale through the mouth, counting up to 5 times. Continue for a few minutes until you feel that your heart rate is slowing and your muscles are relaxing. Concentrate solely on your breathing and try to clear your mind of all other thoughts during this time. Do these exercises as part of your routine before bedtime, and soon they will signal your body that it should prepare for sleep. Relax your muscles. Strain, and then relax each of the different muscle groups in your body one by one. This can be an effective way to relax before going to bed or even while lying in bed. Pull the muscles, bending and shortening them for 10 seconds. Visualize the tension of the muscles. Loosen tension and allow the entire body to leave before moving on to the next muscle group. Start with your toes, and then go to your hips, back, hands and face. You should feel more relaxed throughout the body and forget about the problems of the day. Be sure to keep all the other muscles relaxed, as long as you strain the specific. Do yoga. Easy yoga can also help your body relax when you are ready to go to bed. A slow and steady yoga procedure of 5 to 15 minutes can alleviate physical and mental stress. Use only basic postures, without power, that could activate you. Just do the basic bends and stretch marks. Here are some examples. Standing bends. Raise your arms up above your head, stretching your spine and gently bending over, keeping your back straight. Jatara Parivrtti. Lie on your back, stretching your arms from your body, palms down. Bend your legs and lift them so that your hips are perpendicular to the floor. Lower your legs to the right, return them to the center and then lower them to the left. Take a warm bath. Having a warm bath for 15-30 minutes before bed can be a great way to help you relax before going to bed. Make sure that the bathtub is really warm, not hot, in order to get the best conditions for rest. Having a regular warm bath before going to bed can help your body realize that the end of the day and now is the time to relax. You can connect a warm bath with soothing music and aromatic oils to help yourself relax even more. Use lavender or chamomile to create a relaxing atmosphere for aromatherapy. Stay away from caffeine. Reducing the use of stimulants, such as caffeine, can be very helpful if you are trying to relax before going to bed. Avoid tea, coffee or other substances with caffeine at the end of the day and in the evening, as they complicate the process of falling asleep and can prevent the important deep sleep that you need. The effect of caffeine can last up to 24 hours, so it can be an important factor in sleep problems. Caffeine can also increase your heart rate, making you feel more nervous. Replace caffeine with warm milk or herbal tea such as chamomile or mint. Other stimulants, such as nicotine, sweet foods and drinks, heavy meals can also complicate rest. Avoid alcohol. While many people experience drowsiness immediately after drinking alcohol, it generally makes sleep less restful and restorative. Alcohol can also increase your chances of insomnia when you wake up in the middle of the night and cannot fall asleep. Stay away from alcoholic beverages if you want to feel completely relaxed overnight. Be physically active throughout the day. Maintaining your body's activity during the day can help your body to be ready to relax before going to bed. Exercise vigorously for 20-30 minutes daily, running, swimming or cycling. Evening exercise tends to activate the body, rather than relaxing it. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.